Want to start trading with interactive brokers? Here's how to open your account quickly. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process to open your interactive broker's account so you can start trading confidently. Step 1. Go to the interactive broker's website or download the IBKR mobile app. Step 2. Click on Open Account and select the account type that fits your needs. Step 3. Fill in your personal information like name, address, and contact details. Step 4. Provide your tax identification and financial details as requested. Step 5. Verify your identity by uploading your government-issued ID and proof of address. Step 6. Review and agree to the terms and conditions. Step 7. Submit your application and wait for approval, which usually takes 1 to 2 business days. Step 8. Once approved, you'll receive login details to access your account and start funding it. Quick tip: have your ID and bank information ready before you start to speed up the process. Found this helpful? Like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel and comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching.